ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ ಭಟ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಫಲಕವನ್ನ ಜೋಶಿ ಅವರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಫಲಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದೆ.
Dear Shri Vishwanath Bhatt, on behalf of Yaksharanga of Silicon Valley and Yakshagana fans here in California, we would like to thank you for your contribution towards promoting Yakshagana and your participation in several of our performances. We wish you and your family all the best in India and hope that we will be able to perform together again in the future. Friends from Yakshagana, Sanatan Dharma Kendra. Finally, I would like to thank all those people who helped us. First of all, Pandit Joshi ji has helped us by giving all this facility to get trained and perform here. This is a great place to get trained, and though we are amateurs, we are able to do it. All these costumes and everything, this itself we are happy about. Because of his help, we are able to do that. And today after this show we will have dinner, and this is prepared by most of the families of the performers here. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಣಿಯರು ಅಡಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ರಾಜರ ತರ ವೇಷ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. We would like to thank them, and we would like to thank Usha for training these kids. She is the director of kids dances. She apart from preparing herself, she prepared them also. And Mohan and Pallavi helped them with their dressing, and especially their moms. They cooked and they dressed their kids and they came here. They were really late. We were worried whether we will be able to continue or we have to wait for them. But they prepared dinner for all of us, and they came preparing their children. We would like to thank them a lot. And we'd like to thank our director KJ Ganesh. He recorded all this music in India, and he danced to that tune. He recorded the video, and my brother-in-law BM Hegde, he sent it over the internet, and we watched that, and based on that we practiced it. That's how it's totally e-training for this Yakshagana. And Gajan Bhatt has shared his dress. This Dharmaraja's dress is Gajan Bhatt's. We would like to thank him for sharing his dress. And we would like to thank you all for participating in this Yakshagana event, and please enjoy the dinner. And we passed a cover for donation to our Guru in India and also to temple. Please donate generously. Thank you very much.
I request everyone to please be seated here. The dinner is getting ready. They are arranging the food. And if you want to donate something for the Yakshagana, we have an envelope here.
There are some Yakshagana VCDs on sale. Gajan Bhatt will be near that table. Please, if you want to buy, there will be VCDs. Thank you. And Pradeep Joshi wants to say something.
I think on behalf of the audience here, I think it is our duty to propose vote of thanks to all these fantastic actors. I am totally overwhelmed. You see, I used to see the Yakshagana when I was 8 years, but now I am 10 times older than that age. Today I am very, very proud that this old, rich, traditional art of Karnataka has come forward, it is progressing. And when they said they are going to stage this drama, then immediately I jumped into this. I said I would be your volunteer. I would like to assist you. We can make a project, and you deserve a global award, not a Bay Area award or something like that. Don't you agree with me? So I think all Kannadigas here, we should promote this further, and we should see that we request them every 6 months or so to come with one or two chapters of either Ramayana or Mahabharata. I think that is the way we can promote it. And Gajananji, told a very beautiful thing that this should be made, translated or dubbed in English. I don't know to what extent this is possible, but this will really help. It will not become a local drama, but it will become a worldwide showcasing of Karnataka's glorious tradition. I think we should promote that. And today we saw all the actors, they were living each role so well. Their dresses are gorgeous. Those who have done these dresses also deserve all our congratulations. The sound system and the way in which it was conducted, highly exceptionally professional. So on behalf of all of you, I wanted to have a few words of these congratulations to all of you. I wish you all the success, and I think our all Kannada, these people are the representatives of Kannadigas, so they will promote it. So, and another good thing is, they are trying to train up children. Today you saw some of the two young girl kids dancing so well. So it shows that they want to promote it further, this art much ahead. So we all congratulate you once again, and God bless you, and let us do something more on this, because the state gives some grant. I think the federal government also, we should get some grant, because this is a multicultural ethnic community here. So when they promote, when they fund other communities, I think we have every right to get some prizes, some awards for these traditional arts, which are 3,000 years old. So I won't take much time. Thank you once again for all coming over here. Try to promote them, help them, give your ideas how to go ahead. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you, Sadi.
First of all, I would like to thank for this play from Bay Area Yaksharanga. ಶ್ರೀಪಾದ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ನನ್ನ ಕಲಾವಿದ ಅಂತ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಕಲಾವಿದ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಷ್ಟು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ 2006ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗಜಾನ್ ಭಟ್ಟರ ಮುಂದಾಳತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಚಿಟ್ಟಾಣಿ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಭಾಗವತರು ಒಂಥರ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನವನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಕ್ಷರಂಗದ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಈ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಭಟ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೋಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಅವ್ರವನ್ ರೋಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನೀನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಾ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂದು ಸೊ ಕೌರವನ್ ರೋಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಕ್ಷರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈ ಬೇರೆ ಯಕ್ಷರಂಗ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಳೆದು ಗಜಾನ್ ಜೋಶಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತು ಅಮೆರಿಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಕೊಡುವಂತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Yeah.